Hello everyone, welcome to iTech Analytic Solutions channel. Today in this video, I will be teaching you how to create mobile charging chart. What is this mobile charging chart? Let's go and check. I have created two charts here, which has got a mobile frame and a chart here. I've got some value here, which is the charging percentage. If I increase or decrease, the chart will get increased or decreased by the values shown here. Now let me make it 0 and then try to increase this. See, as soon as it gets to 10 and then when it jumps to 11, the color changes. Now when it goes on, say till 80, I'll have this blue color. Once it crosses 80, the color of the chart changes. So this is a mobile charging chart. How to do this, I will be teaching you how to create these kind of charts. But before that, please subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos like this. All right, come. Let's go and see how to create this mobile charging chart. I've created one sheet here, and also I've put some steps here so that it will be easy for me for you to understand. Also, it will be easy for me to teach you guys. The first step is let's create the mobile frame. Then we'll create a formula for this, and then we'll create the chart, and then we'll format it. Right. So we'll go to first step. Let's try to create one mobile frame. So it's very easy actually to create a mobile frame. I'll go to this insert, then illustrations. Then here I have the shape, and I'll take this rounded corner rectangle shape. Let me just put it here like this. I have a pointer here, this yellow point. Just try to adjust something like this. And if you think you want to adjust your mobile size, you can adjust like this. Now let's go to this shape fill. I'll make it black color, and let's give the frame a gray, and then increase the weight of the frame. Yes. Now my mobile frame is ready. Suppose if you still want to give more shape, something like this. So what I'll do is I'll try to insert some more shapes here. Shape. Let's take this shape. It says top corners rounded. I'll place it here. I can increase this. You want, you can adjust this yellow pointer, and let me take this and let me put it here like this. Let's change the color to gray, which matches with the frame, and then remove the outline. You can adjust this. Right. So on top, again, if you want similar kind of shape, I'll just hold Control Shift and drag it, or say Control C, Control V. Let me rotate it, and then I'll put it here like this. Think you want to increase the shape, you can still increase this, and you can increase something like this, and adjust however you want. Right. Now what I'll do, I'll select all these three shapes, and I'll go to this format, and then I'll say align center. Now it is aligned center. Now suppose if you want to create some shape like this, then I'll go here, insert. Let me take this shape, reduce it, and keep it here, and see how much you can resize it. Just try to resize this, and I'll change the color to white and no line. Right. Then I can give one circle here. I'll take a circle, hold shift so that you'll get a proper circle. I'll make it white color and no line, and then let's move it and keep it. Right. Now my mobile frame is ready. Now I need to create the chart. For this, what we have done is we'll try to create one chart, a column stacked chart, such a way that we'll have three different bars, that is red color, blue color, and green color, because we have divided the range, that is from 0 to 10 it should be red color, from 11 to 80 it should be blue color, and above 80 till 100 it should be green color. So what we'll do, let's go here. I'll just type charge, and here let's write a formula. The formula will be like this: say equals if this value is less than or equals to 10, then I'll say it should be the same C6 value. Else I'll say NA will not plot your series. Enter. Now since this value is 100, that is, this is false here, the condition is false here, so it is going to NA. Fine. The next one is blue. Here I have to give the range from 11 to 80. So what I'll do, I'll write a formula equals if, and because I'm giving range, two conditions are to be checked here. I'll say and this value is greater than or equals to 11, or you can say greater than 10, comma C6 less than or equal to 80. Then I'll say it should be this value, else NA, and close the bracket. Right. Even in this condition, this value will not fall, so it is saying NA. Now what I'll do, I'll say equals if this value is greater than 80, then take this value, else NA. Close the bracket. Right. See? Let me change this to 5. You can see that it is going here through this red series. Now let me make it as 67. See, it's going here. Right. Now the formula is right. Now what we'll do is we'll create one chart. Select this range, insert, and create a column stacked chart. Right. I got a chart here. Fine. Now what we'll do is we'll select this and say switch rows to columns so that I'll get all three series in one series itself. Click on this. See, I got this. Now let me change this to 5. I'll get something like this. And if I say 89, so it will change. So I have three different series now. So what we'll do is we'll go here. I'll change this axis values and I'll fix it. I'll say let it be up to 100. Right. Now let me change this value and see. I'll say 5. See, if I say 50, and then if I say 90. So the range is fixed now. Since the axis values is fixed, the series is also getting the right values. Now what we'll do, we'll try to change the color for this chart. Let me make it 5. I'll get this color. This series I'll get. So I'll select this, say Control 1, go to this fill and say solid fill, make it red color. Right. Next, we'll go and change this blue color. So I'll make it as 50. So I'll get another series, select this, and this fill color is solid. I'll make it say blue color. Right. Next, for this green color, let me make it 90. Select this, and here say solid fill, and I'll change this to green color. Fine. Now let's change the value and see. I'll say 9, it is red color. If I say 75, it should be blue color, and anything beyond 80, say 85, it should change to green color. Now my chart is coming properly. Next step, what I'll do is I'll remove these headers, axis values, the grid lines, this one, and try to reduce this, something like this. Right. Now I can see this white color here. So say Control 1, let me remove this. I'll say no fill so that it will become transparent, and the border I'll say no line, and I can see now only the chart is visible. I keep it like center here, and we'll take it somewhere here like this. Keep it at center. Right. Now the chart is ready, the frame is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll say 100 here so that I can see till where the values are there. You can adjust this so that you can put the battery frame here like this. So how to create this battery frame? It's very simple again. I'll go to this insert, shape. I'll take this rounded corner rectangle, just put it here like this, make it no fill, and take the border as white color. Move this shape inside. See, I'll try to adjust this within this chart like this. And you can take this yellow pointer and try to adjust this like this. Now, if you want a shape like this, what I have on top, so what I have done is I've just taken one more shape similar to that. I can take square or whatever, and just take this and color this white color and say no line and bring it. Suppose if you want to make it center to this shape, select this, say align, make it center. Yes. Now the chart is ready. Now let's go and change this to 34 or say 3%. See. Now what I have done, I put one spin button here, which will help me in increase or decrease like this. If you want to do that, so what I have done is go to this developer, and here I have this insert, and I'll take the spin button here, click anywhere, right click, format control. Now I need the value from 0 to 100. So I'll take this minimum value as 0, maximum value as 100, and let the increment value be 1. I'll just cell link this one and say okay. Now let's go and change this. See, it's getting changed. Yes. All right. Now take this next to this value and try to reduce this so that it will be something like this. Now I can reduce, increase, or you can also type say 90. See, right. Now if I click this, once it reaches 100, it will stop. Fine. I can see I've given one the charging symbol here, that is the power symbol here. So how to do that? That is very simple. Again, go to this insert, and I will take a triangle like this. Just took a triangle like this, reduced it like this, and you can increase or decrease. You can actually adjust however you want. I just made one more copy of it, that is Control C, Control V, or Shift Control Drag. Go to this, rotate, and rotate this vertically. I just kept it somewhere here like this, and then group it. Select both the shape and say group, and change that to white color and remove the border. Keep it here. See, now you reduce it and rotate it, and if you think it's too big, you can still rotate it. Keep it here like this. Done. Now my mobile chart is ready. But if you think you want to make something like this with a 3D shape, a battery which looks like a 3D shape, that is again a very simple one. So what I'll do, I'll just go here, I'll say Control A, I'll select all the shapes, and again Control C, Control V, or Control Shift and drag it. I made one shape here like this. So I've got one more chart similar to that, just made a copy of it. Now I'll just remove these two shapes because I want a 3D shape. So how to create this 3D shape? It's very simple. Again, I'll go here, take a rectangle here, just take it like this. Later on we can adjust here. Now I want a 3D effect like this. So if you want a 3D effect like this, what I can do is I have to give a gradient color. Say Control 1, and I'll get this formatting tab, say gradient color, and here let me remove all this stops, and then I'll tell you how to create this. See, let's say I have this 2 stop. Totally I need to have 6 stops. Just create randomly. Say I already have 2, then I have to create 4 more. Say 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Now what we'll do is take this first stop and see what color you're actually taking. If you want black or something, if it's a black shade, I'll take this gray color, and then I'll take this second one and I'll make it as white color, and this one I'll take this gray color. Now we'll try to adjust this position. So take the first one, I'll take this position as 0, second one as 10, and third one as 20. Right. Now we'll take these the last one, let's take it as 100%, and this fifth one as 90%, and the fourth one as 80%. So you can see 3 stops in the beginning, 3 stops in the end. Now let me select this first one. This the last one here. From this side it is first one. I'll take and I'll make it gray color, and the fourth one also the same gray color. The middle one for this will make it as white color. Yes. After filling this, remove the line. I can adjust this. So what I'll do, I'll take it here and try to adjust to the size where this chart is available like this. Keep it like this. And you can keep it exactly below that. And still reduce it if you want. And this adjustment you have to do according to your requirement. Yes. Now I got this shape. Now what I'll do, I'll just make a copy of it and I'll put it on top. And then if you want one shape like this on top, you can still take this and you can reduce this and keep it here. We'll align it later on. Now I want one more shape like this, which is transparent. So for that, what I'll do, let me take the same shape. I'll hold Control Shift and I'll keep it just above that, and then increase this till the other shape here like this. Right. Now this should be transparent. Let the bottom and the top one be as is. We'll take this. We'll go to these stops here. We'll take the first stop. Let the transparency be 0. The second one will make it 50%, and third one will make it 75%. And you can see that I can see some transparency. Same thing we'll do here. We'll take the sixth one or the last one. Let it be transparency of 0. Then we'll take the fifth one. We'll make it 50% like what we did here. The other side, we'll take the fourth one and we'll make it 75% and say enter. And you can see that a 3D something like this. Now let's try to change the values here and see if this works. See? Yes. Now once it comes to 80%, it is blue color, and once it is coming to 10%, it becomes red color. Yes, the red color. Like this. Right? Interesting, is it? Okay. If you like this video, please like and share, and please subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.